Shadows dancing in the candle flame. Every heart here beating just the same. Voices rise like a healing breeze, whispering truth through the coconut trees. Time slows down in the midnight sway. Worries drift like the clouds away. In this moment I am free to be just a drop in this endless sea. Oh, I hear it in the distant sound, a deeper love that wraps around. Rasta light glow shining through my soul, like the sun on the ocean, making broken spirits whole. Rasta light glow, never let me go. In the warmth of your fire I finally know no chains can hold this wandering heart. No fear can tear this dream apart. With every breath I rise above, carried on the wings of love. Through the night and into dawn, the spirit lives, it carries on. Rasta light glow, shining ever bright, like a beacon in the darkness, leading me to light. Rasta light glow, forever in my flow, in the rhythm of the universe, I let it show. As the morning paints the sky in gold, stories of the night are softly told. In the silence, one truth I know, I'll forever walk in that Rasta glow.